Hello, hi from Mount Shasta, where we have these gorgeous fall colors and it's so peaceful here. I wanted to show you a little snippet of where I live, and I wanted to introduce you to a new kit that I am offering. It's called the Stay Calm and Improve Your Sleep Herbal Kit. And so it comes with 4 different tinctures, and it's also comes with directions of how to use it. So you'll get this printout when you order the kit of all 4 of these products together. So you have wild milky oats with lemon balm, and then Kava Kava Glycerite, and a sleep well tincture. So the first thing that you do first thing in the morning is take the lemon balm and the wild milky oats and put it in some water and drink the water. So I like a little shot glass. You put your tincture drops in there. That's the lemon balm. And then you do the other one. You got wild milky oats. And so I'm not counting out drops. Like, you just squeeze it and it fills up halfway, and that's like 30 drops. And that's what the dose on the bottle says. Take about 30 drops. And so you put that in your glass of water. And then all you have to do is drink this little bit of water. It's not going to be in your huge water bottle where you might, rinse it out before you finish drinking it all. Just like that, you took your herbs. And these are nice, calming, relaxing, relieving anxiety, countering the effects of stress, helping you feel rested and alert for your day. And then you could take another dose around noon or when you have your lunch break. And then, same thing, put your lemon balm and wild oat in here. And then later, when you're done with work and you want to relax, then go for the kava. And this one I really like. I have a kava in my kitchen, in my bedroom. This one tastes really good. So if you want, you could also, get more water and put it in here, or you could just do this. Right under your tongue. Tastes really good. Squeeze it in your mouth. And for the Kava Glycerite, you'll see that the dose says 60 drops. So if you're really stressed out, or you really want to relax, or if you want it to help you sleep, you take a bigger dose, it'll also help you sleep. So if you wanted to take 2 of these, that would be 60 drops, 2 little squirts. I just did one. One is good for me. And then you could repeat that again later in the evening. So you have the lemon balm, wild oat, morning and noon. And then in the evening, you have the kava. And then before bed, you could take the sleep well, which is this one. Sleep well is California poppy with wild lettuce and blue vervain. So this is a great combination for sleep. And some people like to put it in hot water. Now that it's cooler, we got the fall weather, maybe you feel like drinking tea. So you could get a mug of hot water, as long as you're gonna drink the whole thing, and put your drops in the hot water and drink it that way. So for the sleep well tincture, you have to kind of play around with the dose and see what the appropriate dose is for you. But I like to take a dose right before bed, like an hour before you want to be sleeping. Take your first dose, and then right before you get into bed, take another dose. And then if you wake up in the night, it's okay to take a 3rd dose. So all of this is written for you when you order the Stay Calm and Improve Your Sleep Herbal Kit. It's all written down, so don't worry about it, and enjoy. You could be calm during the day and then sleep really well at night, and it's easy and it tastes good. And if you don't like the taste of it, then just do the quick shot and you're done. But if you like it, then you have an instant tea. It's super easy to just pour your hot water and drink. So I hope you like it, and when you get the kit, instead of just buying the individual herbs, the kit is 10% off of if you just bought the herbs individually. All right, so I hope you enjoy.